I have used 3 large potatoes for this half sheet pan of potatoes, and that's enough for the number of people eating here. I used 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use 2 to 3. I put 1 tablespoon on the bottom, and then I drizzled another tablespoon on the top. I am going to use salt and pepper because I don't want any other seasoning on this. However, you could use onion salt or garlic salt. You could put garlic in here if you want. So I'm going to season this with my salt and pepper. Alright, then I could toss this a little bit. I'm going to sort of move that salt, pepper, and oil around. I'm just going to use my hands. Toss it and then get them spread so that lots of them are on the pan surface, because those are the ones that are going to get browned. Now there is a suggestion that you soak your potatoes in hot water first. You could try that. I did not do that. I'm just going to put these in the oven at 450, and after about 10 minutes I'll see if they're ready to turn.